Cassie with So She Quilts for Love. I just have a public service for you tonight. Clean your machine, okay? I don't know if you've ever cleaned your machine. I had a machine for 12 years. Didn't know I could clean it. Never cleaned it. Worked great till the day it didn't. If you are an occasional sewer, like you sew on the weekends, or you sew once a month, or you sew when you get a break, but you're at home and you've been home for weeks and you're sewing masks out the wazoo, you might want to clean your machine if you want to keep making masks, okay? That's all I'm saying. So, clean your machine. PSA, clean your machine. Now, to make that easier, if you have an order you're putting in somewhere to get fabric, or you're putting in something at Amazon, you might want to consider getting some of these. They're called sewing machine cleaning brushes. They're made by Quilt in a Day. They're these little bitty teeny tiny things. They get in all those little crevices under your machine, and they are amazing. Nobody paid me to say that. I didn't even know what they were. I was just like, okay, I get free shipping if I spend a few more dollars. Oh, these look interesting. And I put them in my shopping cart, right? Love them. Usually your machine comes with a little brush and you can use that and it's going to do wonders. But if you can get these, I'd get them. They're only like $3 or $4 and you get, what is this? 25 of them. And I only use these every week or two. I normally just open it up, use my little brush, close it back, and then I do some deep cleaning after I've done a whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, PSA, clean your machine. If you're wondering, what is she talking about? Where am I supposed to clean my machine out? Let me show you. Right in here, under this plate, lots of lint collects. So you'll unscrew these screws, and I'm not going to go about cleaning my whole machine because I would sit here for 10 minutes getting all kinds of gunk out, and y'all don't want to watch that. Because you got to get the gunk out of your own machine. So don't waste time watching mine. But you just unscrew those. You're going to take your plate off. You'll take out your bobbin and your bobbin holder. And then you dust all in here. You use your little brush. And you just brush all in here. And you get all this lint out. Okay, ooh, look at that. See, gross. I could spend forever getting all this out. But this will gunk up your machine and your needles and all that. And then it doesn't want to work for you. Ew, gross. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to clean your machine so that it will keep working for you. Okay? And then when you're finished, you put your bobbin case back in. You put your plate back on, screw it back in, and you're done, and you can keep sewing for another however long you can keep sewing. All right, great. Have a good night.